Hi, good evening, everyone. So, just joining everyone who are there available for this session. Yeah, in fact, everyone will be thanking you now because you are behind this session today. Okay, all right. So, I think we have got almost 18 to 20 people joined already. So let's start without wasting much time on this. See, I'll just tell you the reason for this session is now understand that you are looking for, you know, some trade or, something for tomorrow. So now on a normal weekday, okay, we are right now doing weekly analysis and on that view that we have built across for the entire week. Now say you are on a coming week in a single day, how do you now analyze for the next day? So main purpose is say on a Monday, if you have that view of the entire week, how would you now think of thinking how Tuesday would be and what potential trades you can have based on today's analysis for Tuesday. So this is what the purpose is for this analysis session that we are conducting today. So normally this is what I would be doing every day. Okay, so I'm just sharing today what I normally see if I have to take a trade for tomorrow. How would I go about and how would I do? Today, in short, somewhere you will understand the power of advanced get software as well because what I'm going to do is I'm going to check normally how I go about it is I will see all the stocks on a daily time frame. Okay, so when you are on a normal week, okay, the week has started in mid of the week, you don't go to see weekly candle or monthly candles. The reason is the week is in mid of that particular thing because the candle is not completed nor the month is completed. So if you are then taking a view based on a half candle or a semi candle of monthly or weekly, it does not make sense. Okay, so when you are doing your day-to-day analysis, your main focus should be on daily candles only or daily patterns as well as if you like anything. Okay, so when we will go through the scripts and when we like certain things, okay, what would you then see for your entry levels? Because now you have to drill down. Okay, so you have three time frames. One is your daily, weekly, monthly, which we normally see during a weekend analysis. Now for day-to-day analysis, okay, the time frame that one should be choosing should be on a very specific terms. You start with your daily time frame and see if anything is looking interesting on that time frame, then choose your hourly time frame, and finally it drills down to your 15 minutes time frame because now your daily is your 15 minutes, your hourly becomes your weekly, and your daily should be corresponding to monthly time frame because now we are looking in the time frame of intraday trades, and in that level of analysis you have to break down your time frames to a smaller time frame which is 15 minutes, 1 hour, and daily. Now you should not look into weekly and monthly at all. Okay, so this is the first point as a thumb rule which you should understand if you are analyzing something for intraday specific. Okay, so now let's start with it. Okay, so I'm looking at Nifty right now, and Nifty daily has broken 20 MA and also has broken 60. So now we are at 48 RSI. Okay, and this has got still some steel on the downside. So we might see 14,555 approaching, and second support is 14,370. So this is a huge gap here, and this can act as a good support. At the same time, we might see 40 approaching out here. So we might see a support on 40. Okay. See now again, my key out here was there was a huge volume here. Okay. So huge volume on Doji. Okay. After that, there is not much volume on Nifty. Okay, and out here today you see some volume here again. So now this huge volume was exhaustion volume of the downfall along with the new entries on the uptrend which started a day later. Okay. Now these volumes are here for long time. They are not here for short. So if this is the volume of entry as per what I am seeing, okay, and you don't see equivalent volume getting out, that means the fall right now, okay, is not you can say a genuine fall. It's a fall without any reason. You can say in that sense. Okay, so you might see somewhere, some breakout or some stoppage to this fall, and that can be around this level. So you can still expect this and this level as a key support levels. Okay, so this can be the support levels where we might come and bounce back. That predominantly will be also, if you look at it, right now we are around 50 and this is 61%. So if we come down till the gap which is at 14,550, that place is also 61% of retracement along with the gap support. So that can also coincide, merge with, somewhere with 40 support on daily. Okay, so that three things can come. So you might see some further fall in the market. Okay, from here right now. So this is one thing on Nifty. Okay, so still the view on Nifty should be on some bearish side till another 200 points, around 170 points to be more specific. So you are looking for some more fall over here. Okay, or probably the second thought says we are at 48 on RSI, which is equivalent to, you can say, 50. 50 is mid of RSI, and if 20 MA has a false breakout, and if it goes up about 20 MA tomorrow, we might see this, going up again till 14,900. Okay, so this is the level. I think 15,030 is the resistance then. So that becomes the level that you might see in the coming day. So you should have both the views. If I continue the fall, where I will stop, and if there is a reversal, till where I can go without any resistance. Okay, so we now have two levels in this area. Now let's understand this from the hourly, and so we'll go to March. Okay, so now hourly on Nifty. This is Bank Nifty. I need Nifty. Where is Nifty? Okay. So now hourly on Nifty shows still a very bad sign. It does not have any support, nothing here. Okay, now let me just reduce it and see here. Do we have any support here? No. Do we have any support here? Yes, we do have one support here. Okay, so if you are able to see something here, I will just show you this and enlarge this. Okay, so now if you look at this, Doji's low is around to this. So we are at right now at price support, the consolidation support, and if this is missed, okay, we might have the gap support here. Okay, so 14,570.75, which we also saw as per the daily charts, okay, around 14,550, right? So that is where this support lies. So we might see this, but hourly does not have any divergence, nothing, and a pure fall. But understand, RSI is at 18.57. Now 18.57 का नीचे जा जाके भी कितना जाएगा ये, right? Because it cannot go to zero. It's an index. It will not go to zero. So now it's a strongly oversold mode, and we might now see some type of pullback rally in the coming days. So as per RSI, yes, some pullback is possible, and we might see coming to see again. This gives you the level of 14,932. Okay, and over here 15,035, which we also saw on daily candles. So this is what this two moving averages can be retested. Okay, so those are the levels where you can expect the market to creep up. Okay, so these are the levels. Now on 15 minutes, let's cite, what else can we see? RV very strong if it is doing the band walk again. You continue with the short trade and make money till it is doing the band walk. Okay, so fall we know. Rise also we know that if it bounces from here, there can be a trade on the upside with the low as your stop loss. Okay, so that is how you can then calculate the things. Now on 15 minutes, okay, we have got something interesting. Okay, so we have a doji here, after which there is two red big candles, but simultaneously if you look at the RSI of this red and this red, okay, 15 minutes shows a bullish divergence setup. Okay, so RSI of this red candle here is lower compared to the last 15 minutes candle. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bar bullish divergence setup on 15 minutes. So now let's understand what we were talking about. Daily shows, maybe a false breakout of 20 MA. So I'm now going to talk on the bullish side first, and then we will see on the bearish side. So you have to have this view open. I can either go up or down. I will not say that my view is bullish and I'll only hold to bullish. अगर bullish trade आता है तो ही मैं लूंगा नहीं. That is going to be wrong. So you have to be open with your mindset that if the bullish triggers, I'll go bullish. If it goes bearish, I will go bearish. See, मैंने शादी नहीं किया निफ्टी के साथ कि वो ऊपर जाएगा तभी मैं उसके साथ रहूंगा. ये इनफैक्ट ये मैंने शादी किया है मार्केट के साथ कि उसके दुख और सुख दोनों में उसका साथ दूंगा. राइट. सो अगर दुखी से अगर नीचे जा रहा है तो भी मैं साथ दूंगा, ऊपर जा रहा है तभी मैं साथ दूंगा. ओके, सो वो हिसाब से अगर हम सोचेंगे तो इट विल बी वेरी गुड कपल विल मेक. ओके, अ ट्रेडर एंड मार्केट इज अ वेरी गुड कपल. ओके, इससे अच्छा कपल नहीं मिलेगा आपको. So now let's understand this view. So this is 15 minutes. The lower time frame says 7 bar bullish divergence. Confirmation is always with a breakout of a trend line, which might be about 14,735 or 50 level before thoda और confirm के लिए. Okay, how do I get it? I get it with a trend line breakout on this negative trend which is ongoing right now. Okay, so if I just draw a trend line like this and ये जहाँ पे कूदेगा ऊपर, okay, so see 750 के आसपास में ही है वो. So above 14,750 is where you might see the confirmation on bullish divergence, and the first target would be around 816 and second target would be the upper band. See, normally in case of a bullish divergence at lower band, if it is at lower band, the target is upper band. Okay, so that is how you trade it. So this is one thing which you will have to see. So only and only if, okay, the condition is very very strongly on that. किधर चला गया मैं कहाँ था? किसी को एंट्री दिया उसमें मैं कहाँ से कहाँ चला गया? Okay, so only and only if I go above 750, I will think of going long on Nifty, which is from current level 60-65 पॉइंट्स. उसके पहले मैं निफ्टी पे लॉन्ग जाने का सोचूंगा भी नहीं. दैट इज वन कंडीशन. ओके, नाउ second, let's understand that 20 MA is broken and now next support is still 160 points away. Okay, ये 550 के आसपास में है. So 140 points from here. Okay, in case of this closing, but closing is I think 700 के आसपास का है. ओके, सो वो जो क्लोजिंग है उसके हिसाब से आप देखोगे तो 160 पॉइंट्स नीचे है. तो वो 160 पॉइंट्स नीचे तक जो आपका ट्रेड बनता है, ओके, फॉर दैट ट्रेड द एंट्री विल स्टार्ट एज सून एज द मार्केट स्टार्ट्स टुमारो. So if you see it is going in red with stop loss of this 730, you go short again and you just wait. So 40-45 points का आप risk ले रहे हो for 160 points gain. Okay, but if it is a huge gap down, then forget it. If there is a gap down around 14,550 itself, then you might see a message from me to close down your top bottom nifty short trade also. Okay, because then there is a chance that we are opening at support and the market might bounce back from that support point. Okay, so you now need to understand, from that viewpoint also. Okay, gap up, gap down हुआ तो क्या करना चाहिए? Okay, so you now know your support lies at 14 555. तो मैं अगर यहाँ पे आई एम जस्ट नाउ गोइंग टू राइट डाउन. ओके, यही चीज़ मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. ये कुछ नहीं लिखूंगा, बट सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस अगर आप बनाओगे तो ये आप जो आज बनाओगे ना, दिस. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट रीड टू योर for everyone's listening. This should be based on your hourly chart and not based on your weekly or monthly chart. Okay, because ये daily movement हम लोग expect कर रहे हैं. तो अभी resistance clearly we know. First layer of resistance is this. SL on Nifty. Wait. I am coming to resistance and support. That would be your SL anyways. So I am coming to that only. That's why I am writing down. Don't worry. So that is the only reason why I am writing down this. So this is one level, then this is another level. Okay, and then we know 15,050. Actually 35 here, but I'll keep 50. Okay, so this becomes your level of resistance. So your entry on buy side is only if this resistance, first resistance is crossed with the second resistance as your target. So 200 points movement on the upside till 950 you can expect from 750 if 750 is crossed. Okay, so that is where your buy trade triggers. Now for your short trade, or currently if you are already in short position, okay, we know that this is being broken today, or we are at this level right now. Okay, so uske jagah pe, okay, we know the levels are, support is 550, then 350, because that is the gap point. Actually 370 है, 180 points का gap up था. Okay, and then if it goes below, it is coming to around, I think, 14100. Okay, so this is where are your support. So अगर आप शॉर्ट भी करते हो और मार्केट नीचे ही रहता है, तो it might open or it might go till 14,550 where there is a gap support. So this is your first target now on the short side. And if you are already short and if the market continues to go above 750, you should then close the short trade. Okay, so this is what should be your levels for tomorrow. These are the two levels. Continue the short with this as your target, or with this as your stop loss. So you have to have the support and resistance with your 1 hour time frame in your mind. ओके, एंड ये हम लोग ने कहाँ से निकाला है? इवन ये आर्मी पे भी अगर आप जाओगे तो मैं सेम चीज़ अगर मैं इस पर देखूंगा तो यू विल गेट द ब्रेकआउट ऑफ दिस ट्रेंड एंड अगेन अराउंड 750 ओनली. 742 दिखा रहा है, मैं 750 कंसिडर कर रहा हूँ सेफ साइड लेने के लिए. सो नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. सो इज दिस क्लियर नाउ? आई थिंक जिसने डाउट पूछा था उसको क्लियर हुआ ये. किसने डाउट पूछा था? नाम क्या था? अच्छा, ये फ्रॉम पी. पी नहीं समझा. अच्छा, पूर्वी. अच्छा, ओके. ओके, सो दैट इज वेयर यू नाउ सी दिस. तो अभी यही इससे आपको बैंक निफ्टी भी देखना है. ओके, एंड देन वी विल सी सम स्टॉक्स. So now let's understand Bank Nifty as well. See, Bank Nifty is yet to come to 20 MA for support. Okay, so 34,770 can be now expected on Bank Nifty with the fall continuing, because it's right now it's hanging in the air. उसको कहीं पे भी सपोर्ट नहीं है. कल तक उसको सपोर्ट था ये लेवल का, अभी वो उसने 35,500 भी तोड़ दिया है. तो अभी ये और नीचे आ चुका है यहाँ तक, और इट कैन कम डाउन टिल 34,770. तो दिस कैन बी द लेवल ऑफ सपोर्ट, और 34,800. ये कैंडल का हाई क्या है? 34,777. Okay, so around 34,800 we do have a support which is also 20 MA on the daily chart. Okay, now if you see the field retracement of this again, see ये भी बीच में है अभी. Okay, so ये 38% तक आने के लिए भी उसको तो वही 34,770 है. तो ये भी यहाँ तक भी आ सकता है. So that is where again the things are. Okay, so this again shows you the same type of thing. Okay, बाय द वे आई एम लुकिंग एट मार्च सीरीज ओनली है टुडे, बिकॉज हम लोग को ट्रेड जो भी लेना है मार्च सीरीज पे ही लेना है. ओके, दिस इज माय मार्च डेटा, नॉट February data. So again, see this 38% also comes around the same level. So we might still come down by another 500 points tomorrow. Okay, so that is one possibility here. And if we bounce, we know that 35,850 is going to act as resistance. क्योंकि फिबोनाची में जितना लेवल्स आप नीचे जाओगे और जहाँ जहाँ वो सपोर्ट लेके बाउंस होगा, जितना लेवल तोड़ा है वो लेवल सब उसको resistance का काम करेगा. Okay, so now this will resist. So now you have from this also, your new support and resistance, 34,830 or 34,800 and 35,850. So now you have the support and resistance for first level of support and resistance as per daily chart in front of you. Now again let's understand this from the smaller time frame. So अगर अभी मैं बैंक निफ्टी में फ्यूचर देखता हूँ, ओके, मे फ्यूचर आर्ली कैंडल यू कैन नॉट कंसिडर बिकॉज ये लास्ट 15 मिनट का ही कैंडल है, क्योंकि 3:15 से 3:30 तक का ही ये कैंडल है, तो इसको इग्नोर करो. ओके, बट इफ यू लुक एट दिस, वी आर again, in support of this doji's high and this doji's high. Okay, so यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट पे है हम लोग. अभी ये सपोर्ट अगर टूटता है तो we come down till this level which is 34,790, which is also coinciding with 34,800, which we are seeing also as per the 20 MA on daily. So hourly का सपोर्ट भी आपको ये कैंडल के हाई पे दिखता है. Okay, around this level. So this is what you can now expect in Bank Nifty also tomorrow. Okay, and let's see now 15 मिनट में क्या बताता है ये. सो 15 मिनट में भी इसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस दिख रहा है. इसका क्लोजिंग गया है 225 और इसका 220. सो 5 पॉइंट ऊपर है और आर एस आई काफ़ी नीचे है इसका, और ये आर एस आई ऊपर में है. सो अगेन दिस शोज अ परफेक्ट डब्ल्यू पैटर्न. Okay, so on 15 minutes, we do have bullish divergences on both. Okay, so we do have bullish divergence now also on this time frame. Okay, so 15 मिनट में निफ्टी में भी बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस है और बैंक निफ्टी में भी है. सेम वे इसमें निकालो कि आपका एंट्री कहाँ है. बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस जो है वो सेटअप है. बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस का मतलब नहीं है ब्लाइंडली बाई कर लो. ओके, सो दिस इज अ सेटअप. So now let's understand where the setup will confirm. So again now this confirmation is going to be around 35,375 रखो. Okay, so 35,375 या 35,400 भी पकड़ो, उधर आपका कंफर्मेशन आएगा. So यहाँ पे भी वापस योर टारगेट would be 35,875, which again what we saw as per daily chart is going to be your 23% of retracement. So now getting it, how it coincides with your daily chart and your 15 minutes target and support. So is this point getting clearer? Are you getting what I'm trying to say here? Anybody? Clear? Okay, thanks. Okay, so this is how see इसका bullish divergence है. इसके लिए हम बोला ना bullish divergence and lower band will be upper band, and the upper band is giving you the same level of levels as per your daily chart का resistance. So yes, if there is a bounce, कल का बाउंस देख के ये मत सोच लेना कि ये अभी द फॉल इज डन, बिकॉज नाउ वी नीड टू सी इफ इट कंटिन्यूज. इफ इट ब्रेक्स दिस रेजिस्टेंस एंड गोज अबव, okay, maybe the fall is done. Okay, so we need to know where we are and how we can trade. So एक है फॉल कंटिन्यू करता है तो 34,800 तक का टारगेट है. अगर यहाँ से रिवर्स होता है तो वापस जैसे हम लोग ने निफ्टी में निकला था कि 14,750 के ऊपर मैं लॉन्ग जाऊंगा, यहाँ पे भी वैसे ही है कि मैं 35,400 के ऊपर जाएगा तो मैं लॉन्ग जाऊंगा फॉर अनदर 400-450 पॉइंट्स. Okay, so that is how you would have to consider the market. So now let's write down इसका भी levels क्या आएगा बैंक निफ्टी का on day to day basis. Okay, So now again if you look at this रेजिस्टेंस अभी तो ये भी बहुत बड़ा है, अभी ये तो छोड़ दो। पहला रेजिस्टेंस है 35,650 which is the center band, and then 35,850. Okay, so this is going to be your resistances, और उसके बाद ऊपर में 36,100 है, which was a good support at broken, so 36 ज़्यादा ही जीरो नहीं हो गया इधर। Okay, so this will be your resistances. Now let's see the support level. Support right now is at 30, 35, 300. Okay, somewhere around that we are right now, and today's low you can consider as first level of support, 34, 800. Okay, and if 800 is broken, okay, we will have to see it around, I think, 34, 500 के आसपास में। So this is one level, 34, 8, 34. So this would be your now support levels for your next 1 or 2 days. Okay, so your resistance are also there and your support are also there. So this I would say is Nifty, and this is Nifty. So that you don't get confused, मैं इसको बाहर निकाल देता हूँ यहाँ से। Okay, so this can be the levels to be watched out for tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Sorry, will not change this. We'll come here again. Okay, now let's go to understand the stocks. Okay, so normally let's start with the ACC. Okay, see ACC right now is at gap support and almost around 44. Okay, so this is the gap support. If you look at it, the top, okay, so 1699 it has hit today, and that is the gap support. But the thing is, it is now below 20 MA, so it might bounce till 1744 once, okay, or if it has a gap fall, or a gap down tomorrow by just nearly 10 to 12 points, this gap might be closed with a gap here, okay, and creating an additional resistance on the way, and it can come down till here 1620 can be the level that it can come down to. Okay, so this can be the possibility in ACC. Okay, so it is at gap support right now on daily. So let's see on any lower time frame, does it show any support? So I'm going to see on, I think, okay, just ignore, it will be, February. I have not yet switched year for things, so just need to see on this. Okay, so we do have, multiple dojis here. So if the doji high is crossed, then only your buy should trigger. So I think 1750 के ऊपर 1715 के ऊपर buy trigger होता है for a target of almost 1736. I think is this enough? 24 rupees, 20 rupees का target होता है आप लोगों का, और वो जब ट्रिगर होता है तभी आपका 1700 becomes, और आज का लो मुझे 1718 1699 becomes a stop loss. So 15 to 16 rupees is going to be a stop loss, and 20 rupees would be your gain. This is what your intraday trade would be. Okay, and once it is moving in your direction, आप उसको ट्रेड कर सकते हो. Okay, so this is what it has been shown on hourly chart, and 15 minutes क्या बता रहा है, 15 minutes has a hammer to close the candle at this. So we now need to see very clearly इसकी हिसाब से भी ये buy होता है. Okay, so above the 1715 it can be bought with this 17, 38 or 39 is your target. So hourly पे भी वो दिखा रहा है और यहाँ पे भी वही दिखा रहा है. Okay, so ACC, if it goes above 17.15, then only it is a buy. Okay, then let's see something else. Adani Entertainment और enterprise तो छोड़ ही दो. Okay, वो तो अभी पागलपंती है. Even Adani Ports, Janedo, see it has got a 3 bar bearish divergence. Okay, so this shows some bearishness on daily already. Okay, Amar Raja has got series at 40 resistance and 37.79, 39. See 4 bar NRD setup. जिसने P2 किया है उनको पता चलेगा ये. So it's a perfect 4 bar NRD setup on Amar Raja. Okay, so again short should be below 880. Okay, 880 का short है and you might expect 97 and 92, so it's 5 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees below. Okay, so around 858 is your target. Okay, so 858 is going to be the target for this NRD here. It's a 4 bar NRD, one of the powerful setup, and you might see if there is a fall, it will fall down to 856. So this is where it might come. Where again, see if you look at it, there is the support of this line here. Okay, so it's थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे है, but you can see this is the level where I am talking about 856. So this is what you can expect in Amar Raja. Okay, so this is how you can now trade it, and this is where your short trade starts. Maybe 885 के नीचे भी आप शॉर्ट जा सकते हो for your target of 856. Even Ambuja Cement has a fall, but it is right now at support. So let's see what it does tomorrow. So this is also looking good. Apollo Hospital, Doji after 2 fall. Now whether it bounces, see अगर ये Doji at 60 होता था ना, ये 60 ब्रेक केस है, 58 का RSI है. अगर ये ब्रेक नहीं करता था तो you would have blindly traded this for this as a target. Okay, डोजी हाई के ऊपर में यहाँ तक का टारगेट दे दिया अपोलो हॉस्पिटल का. It's looking good, but it's below 60. That is the only reason I would avoid. So 15 minutes is at 20 minutes support, but resisting 43, so we need to cross this. तो इन शॉर्ट अगर ये बैंड वॉक करता है तो ये बाई है. ओके, टिल द टारगेट ऑफ दिस एटलीस्ट गैप तक तो लेके आएगा ये. और इधर क्या है ये, इधर इट इज hardly it is resisting. So again, buying is at a particular level only. So 2980 और इसके हिसाब से क्या है 297071. So you have a certain buying about a particular levels only. अरे बाबा वो सब मत ढूंढो कि अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में कोविड के पेशेंट आ जाएंगे यार. वो सब सी दैट इज अनदर थिंग. उसको क्वार्टर बदल लगेगा. आज जितने 10 पेशेंट भी आए या 100 आए या 4000 आए, ये क्वार्टर में कुछ नहीं आएगा. जो भी आएगा नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर में आएगा. उसका रिजल्ट के एक्सपेक्टेशन में तभी भागेगा. ये सब चीज़ अभी से मत जुड़ोगे. वो हिसाब से तो वैक्सीन का भी भाव बढ़ना चाहिए और डॉक्टर रेड्डी और सब जाना चाहिए ऊपर. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, So now let's see some specific this thing. So let's go to Reliance. It had a very good fall today. See, it broke 60 on daily and from there it is down. Okay, and now it is at support. Okay, so this is at support right now. So let's see whether it has got any more thing over here. Okay, and Reliance. So it is already closed below 60 now. So we need to it to go above. So bounce back is only if it crosses 2980. So bounce is possible. मैं ना नहीं बोला हूँ वो सिस्टम के हिसाब से अगर एंट्री मिलता है तो लो. That is what I'm just saying. Now let's see Reliance किधर गया. Reliance. So Reliance is already doing a lower band of one hourly. See this. Okay, so ये भी गया है और इसमें कहीं पे भी बुलिशनेस नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay, and 15 minutes का दिखा रहा है. वो भी बैंड ऑफ ही दिखा रहा है. And see, this is where it is, a beautiful thing. See, it was falling from this, then see sideways for some time, and then see a breakdown on this particular support, and see a huge fall. Okay, so this is what you would have traded today also. And see that huge fall is at 40 resistance. See this. Resisting 40, 13 MA together, and then the fall starts. So this support and resistance, if you have in place, this green line and red line, it does help. See, it is resisting here also, it fair. Again here green resist, here resist, and then the fall. So this is the power of this moving averages actually. So Reliance does not show you any positive sign out here. Though it is at support here, we might see it coming down to almost I think 1940. Maybe first target is 1980. If that is broken, maybe it is 1940ish आ जाएगा ये. So Reliance is again back to square in the sideways zone and just moving in this range. Then let's see Hero MotoCorp. I know everyone will be interested कि ये उल्टा कैसे भागा. ये उल्टा भागा नहीं है. See right now also it is at MA20 का support पे. Okay, and somewhere what it did was उसको एक छोटा इधर गैप था. See this. So उसने गैप से बाउंस मारा एक्चुअली. So these gaps are powerful. So now if the gap is filled, it might fall further. So if today's low is broken, this might go down till this level, 3200 तक ये आ सकता है नीचे. But ये gap अभी उसको support कर रहा है. Okay, so this is where we are being trapped in Hero Moto. This gap I'm actually talking about. Right, so this is the gap support here. So this is where it bounces. See, the low of today is exactly at that line. That is the main reason why it has shown some reversal today. So again, if the high is crossed, okay, there can be a bounce till 34.85. So again, you can see this on lower charts if it gives you something to buy on, because it has broken 60, it can come up for 60 resistance. Okay, so this is a chance that it might go up now for resisting 60. So there can be a scope here for some upside movement for it to come till the level where it will resist 60 on daily. So if you go to Hero Moto again, see this is where it is. It is 15 minutes at lower band as well as 40 support. So if it bounces from here, you can see some bounce back till this levels. Okay, so this is one thing. And let's see Arli क्या बोलता है. So this is at support, price support or RSI support, you can say that way. And Arli is also around 40. So now if this happens, we might see some upside pick in this. But if it continues the fall, now you can expect the fall to 3300 in this case. इसलिए अभी यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ सकता है. And this can be similar to Reliance setup. So short can be with 34.25 as the stop loss. Okay, so this is your stop loss, and you might see the fall till here. So getting this clear, now any stock that you want me to say, I just see those stocks, one or two stocks, and we can then do. But uh, this is to be done day to day basis, and this is to be done. See, मैं अभी आपको हर एक एक स्टॉक में दिखा रहा हूँ. ओके, बट मेनली आप जो भी 50 या 100 स्टॉक देखते हो, या सब जो आप एक दो या चार पांच स्टॉक्स ही ट्रेड करते हो, तो वो खाली स्टॉक्स में आप देखो कि ट्रेड कहाँ बनने वाला है, कौन से लेवल पे बनने वाला है. ओके, यू शुड नॉट be interested in looking into the entire market. Okay, so this is how you should be looking into. Now, Asian Paint is also very strange because if you look at Asian Paint, I would be interested to buy Asian Paint if it goes about 24.20. So this is the level. इसके ऊपर में ये long था. See, exactly on hourly basis, it resisted 60 on Friday. Okay, so यहाँ पे उसने resist किया. Okay, and see from there, see it has just gone down one sided. So almost from 2480, okay, it has just gone down. Okay, and now if I show you one more interesting concept, okay, see this is the level from where it went down. This is the level until it went, and see it resisted exactly around 61%. Okay, and then there was more massive fall. So fall, bounce back for 61%, and then the bigger fall. Okay, so resisting 60, coming down to 40, bouncing somewhere, but resisting the retracement level, and then the fall. So this is what it has done on hourly. Okay, and now if you look at it on daily basis, okay, Asian Paint on daily, अरे वाह बेटा, 4 बार bullish divergence, see this, 36.35, 38.80. It's a 4 bar bullish divergence now. At support, अरे बाप रे, ये तो खतरनाक है यार ये. See, this is at support. Earlier also we traded this. ओके 2440 पे एंट्री किया था हम लोग ने. एंड आई थिंक विशेष वाज द वन हु मेड द बिगेस्ट, आई थिंक सराफ सर, बिकॉज आई थिंक उन लोग ने 25 2495 एंड 2520 पे बेचा था. सो अराउंड ऑलमोस्ट 70-80 पॉइंट्स. ओके, एंड वी मूव आउट अराउंड 24 75 2480 के आसपास, 40-50 पॉइंट में हम लोग निकल गए थे. Right, so this is where this was the trade. Now same setup is there again, and again the same entry आएगा इसमें. Okay, so the entry here is little far. Okay, इसमें entry थोड़ा दूर है. So you need to be watchful on this because around 2461 पे तो entry दे रहा है. Okay, so now you have to wait. तो ये यहाँ तक देगा 2583 तक आ सकता है वापस. But I would wait for it for a confirmation on this. ये दिख रहा है अच्छा है, बट समझने का है कि ये कंफर्म नहीं करेगा कि नहीं. Okay, so 24 40 is again the level where you can go long. And let's see what it does. Okay, हाँ, और नीचे आया तो ये और नीचे भी आ सकता है. Yes, 2200 is possible. So this is where it might come down 2250 के लेवल तक. Okay, and second thing is if it comes down, ये पूरा भी है. अरे बाबा कॉपी हो जाए, कुछ तो हो जाए. ओके, तो ये तो बहुत नीचे आ जाएगा वो, क्योंकि जितना गिरा है साइडवेज जाके उतना और गिर सकता है। ओके, बट आई डोंट थिंक ये इतना गिरेगा। क्रूड बढ़ते जा रहा है तो क्रूड के सामने इसको हिट आ रहा है, बट लेट्स सी, दिस इज अ वन वे फ्लो। ओके, तो ये लोग कहीं ना कहीं तो कंसंट्रेशन लेवल पे उसको सपोर्ट करने आएंगे ही आएंगे, नहीं तो उनको लॉस हो जाएगा। So this is where this is the support zone 2250 और 2150 के बीच में। ये 100 पॉइंट का जो गैप है ना वो तोड़ के नहीं किया होना चाहिए आइडली। हाई वॉल्यूम ऑन टुडे कैंडल, यस, बट दिस इज मार्च का कैंडल है तो ये वॉल्यूम थोड़ा निग्लेक्ट करो। ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज सी, आज आपको हर जगह पे वॉल्यूम दिखेगा ना, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ rolling over to March, because this is March futures. Okay, February नहीं है ये। Okay, so if you go to February, you will see something different. So this is future two, which means the new month. Okay, so now if I go to future one, say okay, okay, okay. See, now the volumes are different. Okay, so that is where it is. ये actually top bottom के लिए मैं future two रखता हूँ। Okay, so that I can give you March. This is how, this is the secret of me giving you March data. Okay, so clear everyone how you can do day-to-day analysis. You need to take a view on till 15 minutes, huh? 15 minutes आर्ली पे आपका सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस सेट करो, एंट्री लेवल सेट करो। और यहाँ पे हम लोग ने एक बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस देखा है एशियन पेंट में, एक एनआरडी सेटअप देखा है अमर राजा में। So now let's see how it goes tomorrow. So you have got one short trade, one long trade. You've got short and long both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So this is how you should analyze and keep it ready. I think एक दिन में इससे ज़्यादा ट्रेड्स आप करने वाले भी नहीं हो। Okay, so you analyze few key stocks which you are trading or you are comfortable to trade on a daily basis। उसके बारे में उसकी कुंडलीज देखो और बना के रखो अपना नोटपैड में साइड में। नॉर्मली मेरे पास एक चीट पैड रहता है जहाँ पे मैं लिख के बैठता हूँ। ओके, सो इफ आई जस्ट शो यू समथिंग लाइक दिस, आई जस्ट ऑन माय वीडियो, किधर गया। Okay, so this is my chick pad, and this you can just have written at the levels and stick it to the laptop. Okay, second thing that I will normally do is I will show you one more thing which you can do on this is this. Okay, levels पे आप set alert कर सकते हो। Okay, so this also one thing which you can do. Okay, so I will just show you the alerts. So these are the alerts which I have placed. अभी एशियन पेंट का बाई का अलर्ट मैंने ऑलरेडी डाला, देखो। This was to give on stock ideas. Okay, if it goes about 2475 was where I was looking to buy as of yesterday. Now I will change this. Okay, so now I will edit this for. Okay, so now I will update this. So this is also one of the way by which you can do your alerts in place। alerts आते हैं आपको, मेल भी आता है ये, इसका जो है ना इधर डैशबोर्ड पे भी आएगा। और नॉर्मली सी आई ऑल्सो गेट मेल्स आउट हियर। अगर आप देखोगे ना ये अलर्ट का मेल्स भी आता है। आज सुबह जितना भी ट्रिगर हुआ ना उसका भी मेल्स आया है मेरे को। अरे माई, सुबह से कितना मेल आ गया मेरे को। हाँ ये देखो, ये रहा जीरो था, HDFC बैंक बाई ट्रिगर्ड। Okay, so this is how you will start getting, see, Hero Moto sell triggered with the trade which we did in the morning, right? And even HDFC Bank buy triggered and it finally it went down and hit the stop loss. See, हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर का भी ट्रिगर आया लेकिन जो लेवल था वो क्रॉस नहीं किया, इसके लिए मैंने ट्रिगर रखा है 5 से 7 पॉइंट एडवांस में। Okay, so that then I will monitor it closely, and if it happens, we can take the trade. Okay, so these are the alerts which you can put in place. It will come in mail. It will be shown onto your screen. So this is how you can do on day-to-day basis. Okay then, good enough, right? No, yes, no, right? So okay, so thank you
Thank you
everyone.
very much, sir.
Welcome, Devin Bhai. Welcome. In fact,
Very
everyone should thank Devin Bhai for he insisting for one of this session because he had told me I think some month back, but I had forgotten for this. So this is how you can do your day-to-day analysis as well. Okay, so thank you everyone and good night.
thank
सर
you. Good night.
Ah,
अभी ऑप्शंस के लिए हमको कल सी और पी अगर टारगेट करना है तो उसके लिए भी सेम,
same
क्योंकि
levels, no
उसमें
sir.
वॉलेटिलिटी बहुत स्पीड में रहती है उसमें फिर।
अरे सर उसमें तो आप 30-40 पॉइंट लेके निकल जाओ बस हो जाएगा उससे ज़्यादा करो मत
नहीं नहीं नहीं
कुछ।
नहीं, मेरा सवाल कैसा है कि सेम एनालिसिस उसमें भी
सेम
इसी तरह से।
एनालिसिस, हाँ। बैंक निफ्टी का व्यू आपको पता है राइट।
हाँ
तो बैंक निफ्टी के व्यू के हिसाब से सी या पी को देखना है। साथ साथ में आप सी पी को देख लो। अभी देखो सी पी अगर आप देखोगे, सी एक मैं थोड़ा डीप इन द मनी पी देख रहा था आज। ओके, सो दिस इज डूइंग अ ब्यूटीफुल बैंड वॉक। ओके, और 15 मिनट पे अगर आप देखोगे तो फैंटास्टिक, सी इट केम डाउन एट 60 एंड इट बाउंस बैक। और 5 मिनट पे और भी अच्छा था। 5 मिनट में देखो परफेक्ट 40 पे डोजी। This is the best trade anyone would have taken as per the system. Okay, it went down, it came down to 40, lower band 40 together. डोजी, मैं तो डोजी को बनते यहाँ पे ही ले लेता था। मैं डोजी बनने का भी रहेगा हाई का भी ध्यान नहीं दे देता। वुड हैव बॉट इट डोजीज दिस थिंग क्लोजिंग ऑफ डोजी with doji low as stop loss and just stand there because first target was a red line, then the green or the black line. So that was your target, and I think someone is already holding, but now the only issue is it is now at 60. So now whether it has a gap down tomorrow and this crosses above 60 or not, I don't know. So now we need to see what the market will do. तो अगर ये कल पॉजिटिव खुलता है और ये ग्रीन मतलब पी पॉजिटिव खुलता है और 60 के ऊपर जाता है तो आपका बाय बनता है। एंड दिस कैन बी योर लिमिट 1072, so you might get some points out here. So that's why we'll have to see what now the market does because there is some saturation shown on PE as well. Okay, so PE is at resistance and it can't come here at price resistance also. So let's see what it does here now.
ठीक है
Okay.
सर, ओके सर।